Good morning, students. Hope all are doing good and are safe at home. Let's start our next chapter. But before that, don't forget to mention your name, class, section, roll number below in the comment section. Stay tuned till the end.
Hello everyone. Hope all are good and loving this new session of class 8. We are again here to start with geography. Listen to natural resources, land, soil and water. Let's begin. Resources are generally classified into many classifications. In this chapter, we would study about natural resources. They are gift of nature. Whatever exists in nature and is usable by man is termed as a natural resource. On the basis of origin, the natural resources can be biotic or abiotic. All living things are included in the biotic resources. Example, plants and animals. Abiotic resources are non-living substances. They include air, water, land, soil, rocks and minerals in the earth's crust. The land, soil and water are the most significant abiotic resources of the earth. These resources are vital for human survival as well as for maintaining the quality of life. Let us discuss about these in detail. Land resource. It refers to the shape, form and nature of the land surface. The land resources of the earth contains mountain, flat plains, high plateaus, islands, etc. Students, please make a note. You don't have to read and don't have to learn land, mountains, plateaus, plains given on page number 208 and India on page number 209. These 5 topics are omitted. Please make a cross mark in your textbooks. So, we would begin with land use. Land use, from the name itself, you can understand the purpose for which a piece of land is put to use. Different types of agricultural activities, forestry, mining, etc. are performed on the land surface. These are collectively termed as land use. The land use pattern is not same everywhere in the world, but it is highly uneven. This uneven land use pattern is mainly influenced by the following factors that we would understand one by one. Climate. Land use pattern of any place is directly or indirectly influenced by the climatic conditions. Topography. It means physical feature of an area. Type of soil. An adequate land use pattern can be seen in the areas having fertile soil. Then, availability of water. For a well-developed and planned land use pattern, the water availability is essential. All types of forest, crop, etc. need plenty of water to survive. Minerals. A region having mineral deposits are used for mining purpose. Technology and human resource. Human resource use technology to convert the raw natural resources into the valuable products. Human resources along with the technology are necessary for a successful land use pattern. Land use in India. Luckily, India has largest percentage of area under forest cover, and the largest percentage of its land is used for crop cultivation and livestock population. Then problems of land use. Dear children, if we are not using the land properly, we can face many problems such as cropland shortage, soil erosion, deforestation, it means cutting down the forest, desertification, it means fertile land is now converted into deserts. Then land type and its use. The fertile lands are used for cultivation, and the resources that are mineral resources are found there. We will be doing mining. Then uses of land. 4 images are given, for example, building, mining, cultivation and roads. So these are the 4 examples how a land is used. Then soil resources. Soil refers to the thin layer of grainy substances covering the surface of the earth. Formation of soil depends on 5 major factors. First one is time. Usually 1000 years may pass in formation of 2.5 cm of soil. Time determines thickness of soil. Then temperature and rainfall influences rate of weathering and erosion. Then weathering rocks. It influences the color and texture of the soil. It also determines chemical properties, mineral content in the soil. Then moving water, wind, these are the main factors that affect soil formation. Soil is basically classified into 2 groups, pedal furs and pedicles.